Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eddie C. and I am the author of Trend is Friend. The date the day today is Wednesday, and the date is 9th of November 2022, and the time is 1:15 p.m. Welcome to Purchase Rationale. Purchase Rationale provides 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. I have to state a disclaimer though, for a start, that my sharing here is purely for information and education. Should you take a decision to buy a stock after hearing my sharing, please do first consult a financial planner or a broker. The market seems a little soft today, uh, and the stock I did yesterday, PPHB, well, it's still trending with momentum. So I have decided to select the stock CIMB. So the stock in question today is a banking stock CIMB. And it has the stock code of 1023. Okay. So the criteria for selecting CIMB as the best stock pick today is based on price gain. It has gained 4 cents or 0.7%. It has a trend confirmation. In fact, three trend confirmations. Uh, the momentum and the price action is above the cloud and MA233. It has a relative volume greater than 1. It has just broken the average 90 days and is a profitable net cash company. Okay, let's proceed to the fundamental analysis. Well, if we look at the overview for CIMB, if we look on an annual basis, basically you can see that CIMB from 2020 to 2021, uh, represented by the orange line, the profit has uh, jumped up quite a lot, all right, relative to revenue. And if you look at the balance sheet, you can see that the debt to asset has also fallen below the total asset, okay, and also below the total liabilities, meaning that they have probably the management is managing the company more efficiently and more effectively. And if you look at the cash flow, obviously, because CMB is a banking concern, so the cash flow from financing, lending out tops, and also the operating cash flow is also on the way up. And the beautiful thing about CIMB is CIMB pays out 76% payout ratio of the total earning, all right, as a dividend, all right, and the dividend yield on a 12 trailing 12-month basis is about 4.8%. All right, now let's calculate the intrinsic value. Okay, the statement, we go to statistics and let's get to annual, and let's look at the current, right, the current side. Okay, let me call out the calculator. You won't be able to see calculator. It's only for my calculating, not for your viewing. So to calculate the intrinsic value of CIMB, we take the enterprise value over here, which is 57.065706 billion divided by the total common share outstanding, which is 10,066 billion. So the intrinsic value of CIMB is 5 ringgit 35 cent against the market price currently closed at the trading half day of Wednesday, the 9th of November is 5 ringgit and 46 cents. So we pay a small premium. So 535 minus 5.46. Okay, we are paying a premium of 11 cent in terms of percentage. It's 11 cent divided by 5.46. Well, we are paying a premium of 2 cents, 2%, premium of 2%. Okay, small is roughly mark to market. All right. Okay, and shouldn't be a problem to pay the small premium because it has an operating margin of 37.4%. But more important than that, we would like to also look at uh, the operating earning yield. Okay, after paying out dividend and also paying the premium of the current market price, is still yield an operating earning yield of 7.71%. All right, and going forward, it is likely that CIMB's PE ratio will go down from the current 16.2%, all right, because of the higher operating yield percentage, all right. Because CIMB is a financial institution, the acquirer's multiple is not reported, or the enterprise value to EBITDA is not reported, it, as it is not a requirement by them. The dividend yield percentage is 4.22% on a fiscal year basis. It has a free cash flow trailing 12-month basis of 11 billion. It has a net debt of 78.7 billion simply because CIMB is a bank and it is a deposit taking. So whatever money depositors put in there becomes a liability. But if you it is it's not a liability per se because these deposits are used as capital for lending to earn interest. Okay, no doubtful account or bad debt, and all the F score, Z score, M score is not required to be reported by CIMB. So it looks like CIMB has roughly recovered from the last 2 years of slowdown, all right, and it is seemingly good fundamental being reported uh, closing of this quarter. But let's take a look at the technical chart. Okay, trend wise, CIMB has one, two, three higher lows. So definitely is a confirmed uptrend for CIMB, and the price action or the candles stick is also above the cloud, Ichimoku cloud, and is also above the MA233 line. So it is confirmed momentum of ascending upwards. Okay. Okay. Based on the entry strategy, it looks like it is a pullback rebound. So CIMB, we are entering on a entry strategy on a pullback rebound, and based on reward to risk ratio, if we buy CIMB at the current price of 546, yes, with a target price of 583 and a stop loss at 532, it will yield a reward to risk ratio of 2.5 times, which is good. Okay, and it doesn't take such a long time. Actually, it's quite near the apex of wave 3, Elio wave 3, almost near the top, but there is still quite a good range for it to hit our target price of 583. Okay, and yielding 2.54 times reward to risk. Okay, and also looking at the volume side, there is much interest on the buyers, so we can see quite good volume generated quite daily. So it is a buyers intact market, meaning that with volume and momentum, it is quite certain that CIMB will achieve the target of 5 ringgit 83 cent somewhere in the future. Okay, so if you think the trading idea shared today is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trend is Friend under the handle Purchase Rationale. And if you join the TIFIC, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get to join the TIFIC Investing Club for free. All right. So take advantage of this opportunity, and you once you subscribe, you will automatically get my video to you on a daily basis. Okay, thank you for listening and also your time. You have a good day.